Imagine driving away in a brand new pickup truck that costs less than a used compact car. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, get ready, because General Motors is about to shake up the US market with a groundbreaking $9,000 pickup truck. This isn't just another flashy, overpriced truck. This is a game changer built for the everyday worker who needs something reliable, durable, and affordable. Let's dive into how GM is about to disrupt the entire pickup truck industry. A few years back, Toyota stunned the truck world with its budget-friendly Hux Champ, reminding everyone that a pickup's true purpose is utility, not luxury. However, Toyota chose not to bring this budget truck to North America, leaving many customers disappointed. GM saw this gap and had a light bulb moment. Why not introduce an even more affordable pickup to the US market? The answer? The Wuling Zhengtu, a joint venture between GM and Chinese automakers, which could soon become the most talked about vehicle in America. One of the most striking features of the Zhengtu is its incredible cargo capacity. Despite its smaller overall size, the truck boasts a cargo bed that's 6 feet 7 inches long, significantly longer than most mid-size pickups available today. This means you can load up tools, equipment, or just about anything else with ease. Plus, the tailgate and sides of the bed are removable, adding another layer of versatility you won't find anywhere else. Under the hood, the Zhengtu might seem modest with its 1.5L inline-4 engine producing 99 horsepower. But remember, this truck isn't about speed or flash. It's about moving cargo reliably and affordably. The engine's simplicity, coupled with a 5-speed manual transmission, ensures low maintenance costs and durability over time. Inside the cabin, the Zhengtu is refreshingly basic. You won't find luxury materials or cutting-edge technology, but you will get an 8-inch infotainment screen, power windows, and optional air conditioning. It's a truck designed to transport people and cargo without breaking the bank. But what really makes the Zhengtu a potential hit in the US is its endless configuration options. From off-roaders to campers and even delivery trucks, the possibilities are vast. GM could offer a variety of these configurations straight from the factory, making it a versatile choice for everyone, from entrepreneurs to families. While GM hasn't officially confirmed the Zhengtu's release date in the US, insiders hint it could arrive as early as next year. Even with import taxes, this pickup could be priced just over $10,000, still far below anything else on the market. If GM pulls this off, the Zhengtu will not only redefine what we expect from a pickup truck, but also set a new standard for affordability and practicality. Keep your eyes peeled for this game-changing truck, because when it hits the road, it's going to change the game. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more industry-shaking news.